A dirty cabin air filter is the main cause of bad smells and foggy windows in a car. Today I'm gonna show you how to change it in under a minute on the Toyota Prius. All you need is a new filter and zero tools. Alright, open the front passenger door. Take a seat and open the glove box. First, clear out whatever is inside. On the side of the glove box, there is a small plastic dampener arm. Gently pull its loop outward to detach it from the pin. Next, pull the glove box towards you. It will pop right off its bottom plastic hinges. Now we have clear access to the filter. Unclip the cover and set it aside. Pull out the old filter. Yeah, this one is pretty dirty, but thankfully the slot itself looks clean. Unpack the new filter and quickly double check the size against the old one. Just for reference, the dimensions are about 8.5 inches by 7.5 inches. We'll slide this new one in with the arrow pointing up. Snap the cover back on and put the glove box back together in reverse order. Don't forget to reattach the dampener loop back on the pin. Refill the glove box, close it up, and you are good to go. Now the air in the cabin is fresh and your AC and heater will work much more efficiently. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next one.